Next method for the preparation of haloarenes is from diazonium salts. So second method is from diazonium salts. Now before covering preparation of haloarenes, we are going to cover preparation of diazonium salts. How these diazonium salts are formed. Now first of all, what are diazonium salts? Diazonium salts are the compound in which to the benzene ring or to the aromatic phenyl ring N2X part is attached. N2 positive, NX minus. This is benzene diazonium halide. According to the halogen, this benzene diazonium halide is named. Like suppose you are having Cl group attached here. Suppose you are having benzene ring N2Cl. So name of this compound is benzene diazonium chloride. This is benzene diazonium chloride. If in place of Cl you are having Br group, in that case it will be benzene diazonium bromide. So first of all, covering preparation of diazonium salt. Then from diazonium salt we are going to prepare haloarenes. So, for the preparation, first of all, we have to prepare HNO2, that is nitrous acid, within the reaction, that is NC2. This is because HNO2, it is unstable in nature even at room temperature. So, it is prepared very freshly in situ. So, for the preparation of HNO2, we have to take sodium nitrite, NaNO2, and we have to react that with HCl. In this reaction, there will be removal of Na part with Cl. So there will be removal of NaCl and this H will combine with NO2, formation of HNO2 will take place. H will combine with NO2. There will be formation of HNO2, that is nitrous acid, and NaCl will be removed out. This is nitrous acid. Now this nitrous acid prepared in situ is now used in the second step. For the preparation of benzene diazonium halide, you have to take aniline. Aniline is what? Benzene ring having NH2 group. This is aniline. This you have to react with HNO2. And HCl. You have to perform this reaction in the temperature range of 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin only. That is under cold conditions. You have to perform this reaction under cold condition and temperature ranges 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin. That is 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Now in this reaction, there will be formation of benzene ring having N2Cl. N2 positive, Cl minus part. This is your benzene diazonium chloride. This is benzene diazonium chloride, and along with that 2 moles of water will be removed out. Hydrogen atom is replaced by a Cl group and there will be formation of this benzene diazonium chloride, and these hydrogen atoms will be removed out along with the oxygen and formation of 2 moles of H2 will take place. This nitrogen will combine here, it will be N2. This Cl will combine here, it will be N2Cl, and leftover hydrogens. How many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens of aniline, 1 hydrogen of this HNO2, 1 hydrogen of this HCl. So overall you are having 4 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. So water molecules will be formed according to the number of oxygen atoms, as the ratio is 2:1 in case of water. So whatever be the number of oxygen atoms on the reactant side, same amount of water will be formed on the product side. So by this reaction we are going to prepare what? Benzene diazonium chloride. Now this benzene diazonium chloride is used for the preparation of haloarenes. This process of preparation of diazonium salt is known as diazotization. This reaction is known as diazotization reaction. Now taking up example of Sandway reaction for the formation of chlorobenzene using benzene diazonium chloride. So in this reaction we have to take benzene diazonium chloride, that is benzene ring N2Cl, N2 positive, Cl minus. This we are going to react in the presence of cuprous chloride Cu2Cl2 and HCl. In this reaction, N2Cl group is substituted by halogen, and in this reaction there will be formation of chlorobenzene and nitrogen will be removed in the form of nitrogen gas. So this is chlorobenzene. So in this reaction, this N2Cl group, it is substituted by chloro group from cuprous chloride and formation of chlorobenzene takes place. For the preparation of chlorobenzene and bromobenzene, in place of taking cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide with respective halogen acid, we can also take simply copper and HCl for the preparation of chlorobenzene and copper and HBr for the formation of bromobenzene. In this case, the reaction is known as Gattermann reaction. Gattermann reaction. In this reaction, we have to take benzene diazonium halide. We are taking benzene diazonium chloride, and we have to perform reaction in the presence of copper in place of cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide. And along with that, we have to take respective halogen acid. If you want to prepare chlorobenzene, in that case you have to take HCl. If you want to form bromobenzene, in that case you have to take HBr. So in this reaction, there will be formation of chlorobenzene and N2 will be removed out in the form of nitrogen gas. In this reaction, you have to provide heat also. So there will be formation of chlorobenzene by this reaction. For the preparation of iodobenzene from benzene diazonium chloride, we can simply take benzene diazonium chloride and react that with potassium iodide. It's aqueous solution we have to take, and there will be formation of iodobenzene, and N2 will be removed out and KCl will be removed out in this reaction. So you can prepare iodobenzene simply by treating benzene diazonium chloride with potassium iodide aqueous solution. So in this case, this N2 is removed out in the form of nitrogen gas. This K will react with Cl, formation of KCl will take place, and this I group will be substituted here, formation of iodobenzene will take place. Fluorobenzenes can be prepared by heating benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate. Benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate is prepared by reaction of sodium nitrite with fluoroboric acid at 273 Kelvin by reacting that with aniline. So aniline reacts with sodium nitrite and HBF4 at 273 Kelvin. This formation of benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate, and upon heating, this N2 group is removed out in the form of nitrogen gas. BF3 is removed out from this, and one F group will attach to the benzene ring and formation of fluorobenzene will take place. Fluorobenzene will be formed in this reaction. This reaction is a named reaction and it is your Bose-Schmidt reaction. This is indirect method for the preparation of fluorobenzene, as we cannot prepare fluorobenzene directly by fluorination process because the reaction is violent in nature.